This problem is from GATE 2021 Mechanical Engineering paper of set 1. The question is, consider the surface roughness profile as shown in the figure. This figure shows the roughness profile of the surface. The center line average roughness that is given by RA in micrometer of the measured length L is, now we are given 4 options among which we need to find which is the correct answer. Now in this figure, roughness profile is given with the roughness height in micrometer in y-axis and the roughness profile or the length of the roughness in x direction. And we need to find the center line average roughness of the given length. If you want to get more information on center line average roughness, you should check out the lecture of basic surface roughness by Professor A.K. Chattopadhyay from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. Now before solving this question, let's first understand the concept of center line average roughness using a general surface roughness profile. Now suppose h is the height of roughness and L from here, this point to this point, is the length of. Now consider all the points on this profile. So for all this point, we have the ordinates like this. So suppose this is y1, this will be y2, and suppose this is y9, and so on up to yn. Now the CLA or the center line average roughness is defined as the average height of all the ordinates from the mean line regardless of the sign. That means y1, y2 and y9 as well we will consider all as positive. So summation of y, that is summation of all the ordinate divided by the number of ordinates we are taking. So suppose this is n number of ordinates we are taking, so divided by n. And for this problem, this CLA is defined as RA, that will be equal to summation of all the ordinates divided by total number of ordinates. Now adding all the ordinates is a very laborious work because you have to take all y1, y2, y3, y4 and so on up to yn. You have to take all the ordinates and you have to sum it up. Now to avoid this laborious work, it can be done in a simplified way using a planimeter. Now planimeter is used to calculate the area of the curve. So this curvature is there. So this area, suppose this is A1, suppose this is A2 and this is A3. Now planimeter will calculate this area A1, A2 and A3. Now using this method, we can write the CLA or RA value as summation of all the area, that is I is equal to 1 to n divided by the total length of this profile. Now you can pause the video and use this concept and this formula or this formula to calculate the center line average roughness of this profile. Now let's solve the center line average of this given profile using both formulas that we just saw. So using method 1, the formula that we saw of RA is given by summation of I is equal to 1 to n yi divided by n. Now in this problem you see here that the value of y is fixed. So y1, y2, y3 and y4. And you see here that y1 is 1, y3 is also 1, y2 and y4 is in magnitude, this is also equal to 1. So we will write 1 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1. This is for y1, y2, y3 and y4 and divided by the number of profiles. So how many number of profiles we have? You can see here this 1, 2, 3 and 4. So divided by 4, that gives RA is equal to 1. Now using method 2, we can write method 2 that area relation, that RA is given by RA is equal to summation of area from I is equal to 1 to n and divided by the total length, that is L. Now this gives us RA is equal to, we can see here there are 4 areas, right? A1, this we can write A1, this is A2, This area we can write as A3 and this area is A4. Now you see here A1, A2, A3 and 4 all are equal. That is A1 will be equal to 1 multiplied by L by 4. Right? So similarly A1, A2, A3, A4 all are L by 4. So we can write here L by 4 and multiplied by 4 since all the 4 profiles has equal area and divided by the total length, that is L. Now this here we can cancel out 4 and L can also be cancelled out here. So this will give you 1. Now you can see from both methods you will find RA value as 1 because this is a very simple profile, so we can calculate using either of the methods. Now let's match this answer RA with the given options. So the options, if you match with the given option, we see that option B is the correct answer. Hopefully I was able to clear your doubt. Have a great day. Thank you.